Hi everyone, Uma Giona here, and today I'm gonna be watching Hakbang Dance and Vocal Practice by Rive, as requested by Yana. Kahit di siya nanonood, siya rin. Miss Yana. But yeah, let's do this. I'm excited. I mean, they're always good, but there's something about watching like dance practices, and this one they're gonna be singing live too, I assume, because it says dance and vocal. So let's go. At 3, 2, 1, let go. Yee! I miss Rive so much. Ay, 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 wait. Pero Asi, bakit nakaganyan yung ano mo? My baby. My sister has been asking me if there's like a dance practice for hakbang because she wants to learn it. She's more of a dancer than I am. But I can show her this now. Grabe, chill lang oh. Pangamba, pwede bang kumalala? Isipan mo, pwede bang kumalala? Easy! Sakaling pagbigyan lang natin. Gusto ko nito t-shirt. Darating sa'yo. Suhitin na ang gabi, habang wala kang paadamin bawat sandali. At pag umikat ang mundo, araw ay darating sa'yo. Grabe, live na live. Tingin sa dinadaanan mo. Gusto ko pag ginagawa nila, yun yung parang, hindi ko alam kung ano yung term pero pag isa-isa sila na nagkagawa ng movement, may ganun sa senyorita Wait lang, favorite ko to Si Ishi. Sabi nga ni Ate kaya, ang cute ka ni Ishi. Basta hinay-hinay lang, pahanda sa mga gagawin mo. Wow! Nagkatawa talo ni Dre. Bakit ang isipan mo? Galing! Tapos alam mo yung tunog ng sa paa? Matug-tug-tug gano'n. I'm a Matthew vocals enjoyer. Wait. Sino yun? Si Russo ba yun? Sunshine ni Dre, nainis ako. Awat sandali at pag umikot ang mundo. Yeah, let's go, Dre. Ooh, damn. Galing! Bakit ang pogi ni Ishi dito? Mas gusto ko talaga yung tsura nila kapag walang makeup. Bukas! Pogi! Uy, Aros! Ang cute! Ang cute ng visuals ng araw muna. Tapos gaganon. Tapos papunta sa Rive. Tapos magiging part siya ng Rive. Ang cute! Ay! Kalba, wala ka kalba! Sobrang nakaka-proud. Yung sabay-sabay talaga sila. And the vocals are just yung parang stable. Hindi sila masyadong hinihingal kahit na demanding din yung choreography nila. I'm so proud. Pero like, I mean, dahil napanood ko naman sila sa Dreammaker, I knew they were all very good. Like, kahit dun pa lang, they sing live and they dance and all that. Pero si Matthew kasi, since nauna siya na natanggal out of everyone, hindi ko siya masyadong napansin ng Dream Maker. Unlike the other members, like, parang gusto ko na sila even before. Si Matthew, hindi ko siya masyadong napansin sa Dream Maker. Kaya, parang hindi ako familiar. Nagulat ako nung nirelease niya Hollywood and he was so good. Like, vocally, especially, ang ganda ng tono ng boses niya. Tapos ngayon, sobrang galing niya na rin sumayaw. Parang, wow, nakakatawa lang na yung hard work nila, as in kita mo. Lalo kung matagal mo na silang nakikita. So, kita mo talaga yung improvement nila. And sobrang, wow, good job. Shout out kay Matthew. Ang galing-galing mo na ngayon, bebe. Like, the rest of the members are all very, very good. Tsaka ang ganda nilang tignan as a group. Very sakto yung vibes nila. Everything, height-wise, look-wise, they all look very good together. So, yay! Nakakatawa may dance practice na. Pakita ko sa kapatid ko to. So, she can dance it. But yeah, that's all for me today. Let me know what you thought of this dance and vocal practice by Rive. And I'll see you guys next time. Stream hakbang! Bye-bye!